Hi everyone, welcome back Vietnam Cuisine with V. In my other video, I have made spring roll with pork and shrimp. Today, I'm gonna make spring rolls again, but in vegan version. To make the spring roll, we have two steps: making the sauce and preparing the roll. You can do either first. Let's get started. To making the sauce, you can use the purple onion and fry it. And you have to stir it quickly, otherwise it will be black. Take the fried onion out to use for later. Use the same pork to fry the garlic and add in the hoisin sauce. This hoisin sauce we usually use with the phở noodle. Yeah, the same one. And then half glass of water. And next one, I can add the peanut butter. If you cannot eat, you allergy with peanut, you can replace with the regular butter. I add in 3 teaspoons of peanut butter and mix them well. Next, I add in 2 teaspoons of sugar. Add in very little of salt. You have to be careful with salt because some hoisin sauce is saltier than the other. And when your sauce are too salty, you cannot fix it. So put very little, and then you stir it well, and then you taste again. And after that, you decide whether you put more sauce or no sauce. Yeah, after I taste, I put a little bit more. Yeah, mix them well. Now, this kind of sauce you can eat with the rice vermicelli, or you can dip with the boiled or steamed vegetable. Yeah, I'm adding some chili on top and fried onion and peanut. Yeah, look amazing. Now I'm going to prepare the roll. Yeah, first at all, I fry the tofu. Yeah, cut the tofu to small pieces, about 2 inches long, and fry it. But remember, don't fry too much, because if you fry too much, your tofu will be too dry. Just slightly yellow is good. Then take them out. And after take them out, I fry the wood ear mushroom. This mushroom I soak into the water for half hour before I cut and stir it. So remember, you sink it into the warm water about 30 minutes before you do. Then add in some seasoning powder and stir it again. Wrap the roll. Yeah, first of all, I soak the rice paper with water and add in 1 letter leaf, Thai basil, bean sprout, and vermicelli, and I wrap them well. And then I add some chives and wood ear mushroom. You can use other kind of mushroom is fine. And next one, I add in the fried tofu and wrap it. And over here, yeah, it not stay because the water is it's too dry, so you add in some water. I wrap the next one. Yes, again, the lecture, Thai basil, bean sprout, vermicelli, yeah, and wrap it. I'm so hungry. Now bring to the table. Looks so good. I'm going to try it on behalf of you. Beautiful. You see the combination between the sauce and the vegetable. So nice.